Hey guys and welcome. In this video, I want to share with you 7 Asian bridal hairstyle ideas for your wedding. 1. The classic bridal bun. First we have the timeless classic bridal bun, and trust me, this one never goes out of style. If you're looking for something elegant and regal, this is your go-to look. Whether you're wearing a sari, lehenga, or even a more modern wedding dress, this is always a winner. You can accessorize it with fresh flowers, a tikka or a gajra for that perfect traditional touch. 2. The braided beauty. Next, let's talk about the braided beauty. This look is all about drama, elegance, and of course, feeling like a princess. You can do a combination of intricate braids mixed with soft curls or even a low bun at the back. You can keep this look traditional by adding a jummer, or if you want something more modern, you can go for sleek, polished braids. Either way, this hairstyle is perfect if you want to channel that royal bridal vibe. 3. Loose waves. Not every bride wants a heavy updo, and that's totally fine. If you're looking for something a little more relaxed but still glamorous, loose waves are the way to go. This style is perfect for a modern, chic look. Think of it as the South Asian take on Hollywood's red carpet waves. Add a subtle tikka or a delicate hair accessory for that extra touch of elegance. 4. Half up, half down. Now we have the half up, half down hairstyle, a perfect balance between an updo and letting your hair flow freely. It's ideal if you're torn between the two. Add volume at the crown, curl the rest of your hair, and finish it off with a decorative hairpiece for a look that's full of texture and sophistication. 5. Side swept elegance. For all the brides who love soft, romantic vibes, a side-swept hairstyle is an absolute stunner. Whether you choose a side ponytail, loose curls, or a sleek side bun, this look has that effortlessly chic vibe that's perfect for a South Asian wedding. 6. The high bun. Now, for the bold brides out there, we have the high bun. If you want maximum drama and to show off your jewellery, this is your go-to style. This look creates a stunning silhouette and makes sure your veil or dupatta stays perfectly in place all day. Plus, it's the perfect backdrop for those beautiful chunky necklaces and earrings. 7. Curly updo. Finally, for all those who love a little extra volume, the curly updo is the way to go. Whether you go for a sleek finish with metallic pins or add fresh flowers for a soft, traditional touch, this look combines timeless beauty with modern glamour. So, whether you're dreaming of a classic, elegant look or something with a little more edge, there's a bridal hairstyle out there that's perfect for you. I hope this video has helped spark some ideas and made your hair journey a little less overwhelming. Remember, the most important thing is that you feel comfortable and confident with your look on the big day. Trust me, you'll look absolutely stunning, no matter which style you choose. Now, I'd love to know, what's your favourite bridal hairstyle from this video? Drop a comment below and let's chat. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss any of my future bridal beauty tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.